Did you know that every year Americans waste $1 billion or more on unused gym memberships? Or that billions of dollars are lost annually due to cybercrime and identity theft? Or that over $10 billion are paid in overdraft fees every year?
No, I didn't know that.
Well, just like there's personal hygiene to promote physical wellness, financial hygiene is the same idea. Regular cleanups and maintenance of all things money in order to keep your finances from stinking to high heaven.
Ew.
Practicing good financial hygiene habits keeps you financially clean by helping you stay within your budget, increase your cash flow, and catch any fraud. It's an important step in supporting your overall well-being and building wealth.
So, how do I get started?
Well, you should have a budget, a plan detailing where you want your monthly income to go, and you should take a close look at it from time to time. Think about your short-term and long-term financial plans and keep adjusting your budget accordingly to meet those goals. Since life never stops, unexpected events or circumstances can change those plans quickly. So, if you get a raise or you have a sudden emergency, being on top of your budget will help you adjust because you'll know where every dollar is going.
My budget shows that I'm spending more than I make.
That's called negative cash flow, which stinks. This could lead you into bad debt, hurt your financial goals, and bring you a lot of stress. To achieve a positive cash flow, which is earning more than you spend, keep a watchful eye on your spending and make note of areas that need to be cleaned up, like cutting back on your favorite coffee drink or those gaming tokens for your late night sessions. Or think of ways to bring in more income. If you start building positive cash flow now, you'll have the freedom in your budget to splurge on more luxurious things later, like whatever that is.
It's extra fancy water. It's delicious.
Right. Now, it's time to pay attention to things that could hurt your budget plan and cash flow. Watch your accounts and bills for mistakes like overcharges, subscriptions you already canceled, or memberships that have automatically renewed without warning. Also, if you returned a purchase, double check that the refund came through. Mistakes happen all the time, so you want to catch them and clean them up as quickly as possible.
Nice.
And seriously, just cancel those subscriptions and memberships that you don't use, so you can put the money somewhere else in your budget.
There is no way I signed up for a Pet Rock subscription.
You better get on that. It's always those little increases on your bill that get easily overlooked, especially if you use autopay. There are also price increases, fees, and hidden charges to pay attention to. You always want to be aware of what you are being charged for, so ask about anything you don't understand, and be sure to pay your bills on time. Most places want your business and might allow fees and charges to be negotiated or even waived.
I'm allergic to them. Rocks make me itchy.
If that's true, you might be a victim of identity theft, the stealing of someone's personal information, and fraud, the use of someone's personal information to commit crimes. This is a big part of financial hygiene, so frequently check your banking accounts and credit card statements for unauthorized purchases. Using your information, criminals can make charges without your permission or open up lines of credit in your name. Both of these are huge headaches to clean up and can seriously damage your financial reputation if not dealt with quickly. Now that you know a bit about financial hygiene, here are a few things you can do to make these practices become habits. First, stay organized. Make a secure file to keep track of all your billing and account names, usernames, passwords, due dates, and contact information. If you sign up for a membership, add it to the file, along with the expiration or auto-renewal date. Start storing important receipts in an organized way. This will all come in handy when checking your accounts or when problems arise.
Yikes!
Second, pick a day and time each week to check your bank accounts and credit card transactions for any errors, unexpected charges, and unauthorized purchases. Doing this the same day and time each week will eventually make it a routine. Third, as your money grows, you might need a hand organizing your financial activity. Luckily, there are lots of online services that will help you with budgeting, keeping track of subscriptions, credit monitoring, and more. Many of these are offered free of charge to get you started. And as your financial needs increase over time, you may even need to hire a professional accountant for help. Finally, put a reminder on your calendar to check your credit report regularly. They're often free of charge. Now that you know what to check up on and how often to do it, you're on your way to having excellent financial health. Like skipping a few nights of flossing your teeth, routinely skipping your financial hygiene habits can lead to a lot of problems. So pay attention and keep yourself out of stinky situations. Watch more at PragerUkids.com. And parents, don't forget to subscribe.